trips with friends is something you will always remember as the most memorable times in your life. Our recent trip to Yercaud with friends is the topic of this blog. Before we start, सबसे पहले intro. गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज के ब्लॉग एक एक्साइटिंग ब्लॉग होगी क्योंकि वी आर गोइंग ऑन ए रोड ट्रिप विथ फ्रेंड्स। इजंट इट एक्साइटिंग? फ्रेंड्स के साथ रोड ट्रिप, इससे और मस्ती क्या हो सकता है। ये जो ट्रिप है ना, हम लोग बहुत दिन से प्लान कर रहे हैं। और यू नो फ्रेंड्स राइट, फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रिप करना मतलब किसी ना किसी का कुछ ना कुछ इश्यूज आ जाते हैं, देन वी हैड टू कैंसिल। But yeah, this time we decided कुछ भी हो जाए we have to go. I'm not going in my car, so we'll park it near Electronic City somewhere and we'll get into our friend's car. और उनके पास क्या गाड़ी है, you will see that. The friends joining this trip are Manoj Bhai, Arvind Bhai, Devashish and myself. It was 10:30 in the morning. We had a heavy breakfast before setting out. Here we start our journey to Yercaud, which is 230 kilometers away from Bangalore. And Arvind Bhai has got his beautiful, super powerful Porsche Cayenne Turbo to make our trip unforgettable. When I asked him, how does it feel to drive such an awesome, powerful car? Here is what he says.
Best part is the driving experience. Fun to drive. Even though it's a big car, it doesn't feel like it feels like a sports car. There is a sports chrono package here, right here, the steering. And you can change it to different modes. Right now, I changed it back to normal mode. Now I changed it to sports mode. You can change it to sports plus mode. So it just accelerates faster, like you can feel that now. Okay, then it has got seat ventilation, seat massaging, stretch अच्छी, wave अच्छी, shoulder ପାଇଁ अच्छी, lumbar ପାଇଁ ଅଲଗା ଅଛି। ତ ଯାହାକୁ ଯେମିତିଆ ମସାଜ ଦରକାର ସେ କରିପାରିବ। ଏଇଠି ଦେଖଉଛି ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନ ବି ଦେଖଉଛି କୋଉ ଟାଇପର ମସାଜ ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନ। Raise the height of the car.
ऐसे ही दोस्तों के साथ गप्पे मारते हुए एंड हंसी मजाक करते हुए वी रीच्ड सेलम एंड टाइम का कुछ भी पता नहीं चला। In order to reach Yercaud, we had to travel 20 hairpin bends. We took a short break before climbing the hill to enjoy Manoj Bhai's delicious Odia pithas and sweets. Long trip with friends and Rasgulla sweets. Amazing combination.
We enjoyed the trip, we enjoyed the Rasgulla.
It doesn't feel like we are outside of Odisha by getting these kind of sweets here. Thank you so much.
We chose Grange Resort because we wanted to have lunch in middle of nature.
Friends, we reached Yercaud and we got into a resort for our lunch, and here is a beautiful trail where we are trying to cover it. I'll show it to you.
In this short walk, there were jokes, dance, fun and masti all together. We were very hungry at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. By then, it was lunch time, for which our whole trip was planned. Lunch at Yercaud. Before heading back to Bangalore, we spent a short time clicking pictures and getting some drone shots at the resort. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories no matter where you are. I hope this video inspires you to plan a trip with your friends. Do share your best road trip memories in the comment section. And if you like such content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.